Hey there, fashion friends. Emily Wheatley here, back for another vlog. Not to sound cliche, but I cannot believe how fast May has gone, especially for the fact that April seemed to be like a year long. You know, lots of excitement this week. Found me. So last week of May, received 2 items for reviewing on this channel. The first one was a pair of jeans from roztayer.com. Elizabeth over there sent me a pair of jeans by Chimala. Started my 30-day review wearing 1 pair of jeans. Super excited about these jeans because they are Selvedge Denim. Okay, so this is day 1 of my next 30-day jean review. Heading outside here on Memorial Day. It is a Memorial Day. Gonna head outside for a little walk. So we're gonna keep that pretty basic. What I absolutely love about these jeans is the booty. So I've just popped a sweater on because it is a bit chilly outside. Don't got any shoes on yet because I'm gonna put on my duck boots, my duck rain boots. These are the boots I'm putting on today. Good old Sperry. Roughly, probably, I think it's like July 1st, I'm planning to post the episode, so stay tuned for that one. I had a little bit of a delay for a pair of sneakers that I'm supposed to be reviewing for next week's episode, so hopefully I can rally and get that together in time, but I've received those today. Yay! I think my special delivery's here. The Converse Run Star Hike. Yes, I have been after these shoes for months, so I am extremely excited about these. So stay tuned for next week. I've definitely been trying to stay fit, trying to do some sort of exercise, some sort of movement every single day during self-isolation, just because, yeah, I'm just not getting out. So one of the things I've been doing lately for a workout is the stationary bike, and sometimes I'll watch a show like on my iPad, or recently I've been reading a book, like an actual book, because I actually am one of those weirdos that actually still likes to read a real physical book. But this week I took my husband's advice and he said to choose a really good like show that you are addicted to and only allow yourself to watch it when you're on the bike. Absolutely brilliant. Like, it has completely motivated me to bike every single day. So the episode that's got me hooked is Workin' Moms. This week I was like, hey, I'll give it a try. There's nothing else uplifting out there. Everything else is about murder and crime and cults. So Waco, I'm looking at you. I don't know what it is about Waco. It's like I've never been so addicted to something, yet so unbelievably frustrated and like pissed off while watching something. Multitasking at its finest, working out on the bike, watching Workin' Moms while watching the child outside. Yes. Also, another big moment this week. I ventured out on my own into the public for the first time in over 2 months. It was like an adrenaline rush, I'm not gonna lie. I was super nervous and my adrenaline was like pumping the whole time. And guess what it was? Guess what the errand was? Just dropping off a package at FedEx. Just literally dropping it off at the drop box of FedEx. Right. So, I am driving for the first time in probably 2 months. It's gotten to the point where I have to go drop off these packages at FedEx and UPS. So yeah, I'm venturing out, but I've got my trusty mask. I've got my gloves. It's like the highlight of my week. All right, getting suited up to go in. All right, set. I'm going even more legit. All right, folks, wish me luck. Got my package, making the drop. And back. Not too bad. Just crazy times, folks. Crazy times. All right, the drop has been made. Mission complete. Along with that, gosh, this really is a big week. I didn't realize. I mean, this is a big week for self-isolation. I'm pretty impressed. I started vlogging this week, clearly, because here we are, but also because of my 30-day denim review video. I had asked you guys if you guys wanted to see more vlogging throughout the month of like what I'm wearing and stuff. Crazily, I wasn't expecting this. It was like 60-40, like 70-30, something like that, in favor of people wanting to see more vlogging. So, all right, get ready for some awkwardness. I am just horrible at this whole vlogging thing. I don't know why. It's like putting together a, completely, outlined professional setup, lighting, camera, action, all that. Ask me to do that any day. Done. But vlogging, it's hard for me. Anyways, so started that this week. So here's what I ended up with for the day. My vintage Brooks Brother cardigan that I purchased from eBay. Mott and Bow long sleeve t-shirt. And my good old chimala, and just my good old Birkenstocks. Yeah, just keeping it simple today. It's super hot out. I mean, not super hot out. It's like 80 degrees. But it's cool in the house. So I got the layers. And yeah, so I have the cardigan for when I'm in the house, and the t-shirt for when I'm outside. Yeah, it's good stuff. See? No need to overthink my outfit. Got it. Making it happen. Sorry about that. Cleaning the sheets today. Sheet cleaning day. Nectar mattress. The shiz. I'm sure it'll get better and better. So the weather has turned here in Portland. Blue skies, warm.
Which planet are we on?
So excited for the weekend, just hanging out in the backyard, hanging by the poolside. And by poolside, I mean my son's wading pool. Yep, that's where you'll find me. All right, folks, I think that's it for today. Hope you're staying safe. If you did like today's episode, you know what to do. Give me that thumbs up, comment below, share with friends, and subscribe for future weekly episodes. You have a fun-filled rest of your day, and we will be chatting soon. Bye. Look at this. Attention to detail. Wearing earrings that match the pop of blue in my shoes. That's commitment, folks.
No.